This is Xavier from Navy Recognition at DSEI 2013 in London, UK, and we are now on board CTruk THOR. I am with Matthew, military advisor at CTruk, who will give us all the details regarding this innovating vessel. So Matthew, thank you for having us on board your vessel. Can you first tell us for which type of mission the THOR was designed?
Well, the THOR was designed with a multi-role really aspect in mind. This particular, the variant that we've decided to demonstrate is the hardest one to achieve really in terms of build. It's a force protection craft vessel. Emphasis really on surveillance, long-range insertion, and protecting boat lanes, ship-to-shore kind of movement.
Going into a few technical details, can you tell us whether the vessel is armored and what type of sensors it is fitted with, as well as its weapon suites?
Yeah, certainly. This particular variant has got armoured down the sides of the craft, and also the engine bays, obviously protecting primarily personnel and the engines, for operational reasons. The armour will stop in this thickness and this roll up to 762 GPMG. Sensory equipment fitted. We've got a GPS which cannot be jammed, so we've got a defensive capability to keep our navigation capability. The weapons on board are a Saab track fire system, and on this system we fitted a replica of a 50 caliber machine gun with a side-mounted coaxial GPMG.
What is the endurance of the THOR and what is its range?
Endurance, 40 knots, we can get roughly approximately 400 nautical miles. Twin tanks supplying twin V8 Yanmar engines.
Finally, I believe the THOR was designed by a team of military experienced specialists. Can you go into a few details regarding this aspect?
Yeah, absolutely. I was asked to or invited to join the project in the early days. My personal experience, I was an operator for the Royal Marines Landing Crafts branch, so I've spent over 10 years, 13 years to be precise, operating Royal Marines landing craft and gunboats around the world on various operations. The success, or the story behind the success of this particular craft is the amount of military experience at various different levels, both from myself, from the real ground level nuts and bolts type operator stuff, to the other members of the team have been operationally commanding officer of various landing craft and units, and also some guys heavily involved in the civil servant procurement process, as well as another guy, commander or retired commander, Alistair Stangroom. He's served several positions in the Middle East, so he's really heading up business development, foreign export.
All right, Matt, thank you very much for your warm welcome on board the THOR.
You're very welcome.
This was Xavier from Navy Recognition reporting from DSEI on board the THOR.